Hey, I'm Sonia from A Couple Cooks. Do you want to impress all your friends and family this summer? Well, we have the recipe for you. It is grilled Caesar salad. Today we're teaming up with Aldi to bring you this recipe where you can find all the ingredients for this grilled Caesar salad. They're a great place to stock up on super high quality, organic, and affordable ingredients for outdoor entertaining. So why grill your Caesar salad? Well, we all know Caesar salad is so delicious. If you want to take it up a notch to transcendental salad, you can grill your Caesar salad. Now, what does that mean? We're gonna take romaine heads and we're gonna cut them in half, throw them on the grill with a little olive oil and salt and pepper. It brings in this charred, smoky flavor. And then to top it off, we're also going to grill these avocados, which again, you know how much you love an avocado. How much more are you going to love it when it has a grilled flavor? It has those charred grilled marks on it. And on top of all of that, we'll drizzle our creamy Caesar dressing, and that's where we're going to start. Lemon is one of our favorite ways to add freshness to a recipe, and there's nothing quite like a real lemon. So one trick for juicing a lemon, we like to roll it on a cutting board so that it will easily release its juice, and then cut it lengthwise. And then the easiest way to juice is to use one of these juicers, so it keeps all the seeds on top and the juice on the bottom. Now, Greek yogurt isn't traditional in a Caesar dressing, but we love using it for its creamy, tangy goodness, and then a little bit of mayo for some richness. Now I'm just whisking this up until it's smooth. You can see it comes together beautifully. All right, our grill is almost hot, so we're gonna go ahead and prep our avocados and our romaine to get them ready for the grill. So we will start by cutting our avocados in half. It's very simple. You'll cut around the edge and twist. Then to remove the pit, for safety, grab a dish towel and then take your knife and tap it gently into the pit. Twist it, take the knife and put it on the edge of the cutting board and then pull back. It pops right off and you don't have to have your hands near the blade of the knife. Now for the romaine, we'll just go ahead and cut those right in half. And look how beautiful the inside looks. We're just gonna give them a quick wash and pat them dry. Next, we'll just drizzle that romaine with olive oil. The quantity doesn't really matter. It's just getting a nice even coating on the front and the back of that romaine. If you'd like, you can drizzle a little bit of balsamic vinegar as well, just to get a little more tang. And then sprinkle with a few healthy pinches of kosher salt and some fresh ground pepper. Same thing for the avocados, a little bit of olive oil and some kosher salt, and we're ready to go. All right, we're ready to head out to the grill. The romaine will take 2 minutes per side, and the avocados will be 4 to 6 minutes. You'll put them face down and they're done when grill marks appear. These look so good. This is exactly what you're looking for. Your timing will depend on your grill, but you want a little bit charred on the outside and still slightly green on the inside. So you can serve this grilled romaine salad right onto individual plates, or for more drama, we like to use a big platter. And that is it, grilled Caesar salad. The romaine is so smoky and charred, and combined with that Caesar dressing that's creamy and tangy, and the grilled avocados, there's so much going on here. We know you're gonna love it. It's one of our favorite recipes. To get the recipe, head over to acouplecooks.com. There is also a custom Instacart shopping list so that you can get all the ingredients for this salad from Aldi.